Hello guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Our good name is Gary Tech Interior Design. So here, so thank you for the support you are giving unto me. I think now we are at 1,200 subscribers. So if you are a new subscriber, consider subscribing. And if you are a returning subscriber, I appreciate you so much. And then according to my analysis, I have saw that most of my subscribers you don't watch my videos, and then the most percentage of my views they come from the ones that have not yet subscribed. So if you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe for you to get to be always updated when I upload a new content from my this YouTube channel. So consider subscribing. So as you can see here, we have this amazing project. Is a 4 bedroom house, and then the 4 bedroom house, a dining, a kitchen, and a sitting room. So 2 bedrooms, they are in suite, is a master bedroom and another bedroom, and then the other bedroom they are not in suite. So the other bedroom they share a toilet that will be built outside, so it doesn't have any inside a toilet. Let's say like a visitor's toilet inside this house. So it's just two toilets inside, and then both of them they serve 2 bedroom, and then there is a kitchen, a dining, and a sitting lounge. So as you can see here, we are at the backyard of the house. So this is the entrance that lead us towards the kitchen. As you can see, we've already constructed. We are, let's say we are on molding stage. So as you can see, there's this molding that process that is still ongoing. So we have done these 3 pillars. As you can see, the first one is there, and the second one and the third one is over there. So these some pillars we choose that they want to be round, so we didn't use that one for the, let's say, for circle, but a rectangular, but we choose over this round one. So this is the way path that lead us towards the kitchen, and then that is our bedroom, and then this window, it's just for our dining room, and this other one it's for our for the sitting lounge. So as you can see, this is the area for the our this is the size of the plot. I think it's at 100 by 100. As you can see, this amazing project sits on a land that is 100 by 100. So let me take you in front, the front yard of our house, and then I show you the empty house tour for the process that so far we have reached. So as you can see, here is the front yard of this amazing project. So the owner, we decided to have just 6 pillars, as you can see. So we have constructed here, we have built here a 6 pillars, as you can see. There are two between at both end, and then there are two at this center piece. So as you can see, the molding work is still ongoing. As you can see, the fundis are still on construction. They are still building this molding. So let me take you back. Let me bring you inside, and then I show you the features. And then maybe if you want to build a house, you can consider using our measurements or whichever way. So as you came inside, so this is our door. The door is not yet installed, so we are on the maybe in 2 weeks time. 2 weeks time we'll be installing this door for this project. So this is our pathway. This is our small corridor. As you can see, the funders are still installing gypsum. Interior design. They are still doing interior designing for this corridor. And then, so this is our bed, our sitting room. As you can see, this so it's so big. It has two windows. As you can see, these windows that are big, that's so much big. So there's first one there, and the second one is just over here. And then, as you can see, our upper part, we have already installed our gypsum. As you can see, this is the simplest design that we choose to go with. So as you can see, they seem to be like two partitions. So this is the first one, and the second one over there. So there's still ongoing process for the installation for the that gypsum. So and then if you come back here, as you can see this small holes over there, that's for TV. So will be so after the I think the interior work has been completed. We'll come and then install here our sockets for TV, and then this for aerial outlet, and then maybe this will be for internet, and then here we'll provide maybe a socket whenever you if you have a TV stand there, you can use this as your maybe charging for the phone or whichever part, and then then we have already provided here a provision for air conditions. As you can see, that's pipe communicate from the outside of the house, and then there are wall brackets there. So as you can see, this is the first wall bracket over there. The second one is just over there. The third one and the first one is just at that corner over there. So let me take you to the dining room, and then as you can see, this is our. So we didn't go with that design we always put here, but maybe we will go with it, but we'll have a negotiation with the owner of the house. So as you can see, the design that we have done up to want this door. So this is our bedroom. This is our dining room. As you can see, it's just small, quite small, but just for it's just how do you just quite spacious for the maybe for the dining room. So it doesn't need a much bigger room. So as you can see, this is the door, this is the window that I've shown you earlier. And then if you see upside at up, and then we have already installed our gypsum work. As you can see, we go with this simple design. We did not want to go with those expensive or maybe complicated house design. So we installed we have installed we have put here three wall brackets. So the first one is just over there, the second one over there, and the third one is just up to this corner. And then we always provide a socket for this dining room. Maybe you can have a fridge, or maybe when you come to eat, and then you can plug here your phone or your computer as you eat. So this so let me take you to the bedroom, to the four bedrooms and the kitchen. So sorry for interruption, but uh, so this is, as you can see, this is the door that leads us towards the first bedroom. This is our first bedroom. As you can see, it has two windows. The first one is there, and the second one is just over there. So the good thing with this project is that it has we decided to go with a big window so as to have a maximum the light to be just be here totally. So and then as you can see, our upper part they still ongoing. So as you can see, they have done a flat up there, and then after they are maybe tomorrow they'll come and have dress there our the design over there. So and then this partition will be just for our wardrobe. As you can see, so our wardrobe will be running that's from this up to this end of this wall. So for the owner of the house, maybe for let's say if there will be the children, so this space is just quite enough for the storage for their clothes or maybe whatever thing they will be needed. So and then let me take you to the second bedroom. So guys, consider subscribing. So this is our second bedroom, and then as you can see, so yeah, sorry for the mess that is here. So this is the maybe let's say the stuff for the gypsum. So this is the gypsum, maybe they're still remaining for this project, even though they have not yet complete, but this one is the gypsum that has remained. So as you can see, at the upper part there's nothing that has been done up to there, but we are open in 2 weeks, in 1 week time they will be maybe finished this project. So as you can see, and then each and every room we have installed an air condition. So this is the provision for our air condition over there. and then there's this thing, there's a thing over there. So this one will be a socket, a switch for the strapper. Maybe you come from the main door, you can come and switch on or off over there. And then there's a double socket always we provide on each and every room. So the each and every room we propose to have two sockets. So and then the other one will be just over there. So this one will be another double socket, and then over there, this is the partition for the that has been left over for the wardrobe. As you can see, it's just the same size as compared to the first bedroom for the first bedroom. So let me take you to the other bedroom. So those two bedrooms they are not ensuite, but these other they are ensuite. So let me take you to this bedroom, the third bedroom that is also ensuite. And then so as you can see, this is our bedroom. As you can see, the size is just quite spacious for this project. Then the windows they are always big. So the owner suggests to have a big window. So as you can see, these are the windows there are two. The first one is just here, and the second one is just over there. And then at our upper part, as you can see, we have the ongoing installation for gypsum. It's still ongoing. So as you can see, they have to draw a flat design for this gypsum. So later they will come and design their own design that the owner that has choose over it. So and then this is our toilet. As you can see, this is our toilet. So this is our toilet. Maybe as you can see, it's just not that much big. As you can see, it's just enough for this project. And then we have installed it here our mirror light. So we are hoping after it has been done, so we'll come and install here our how do you call it, our hand basin over here. And then so even we have not yet installed the ceiling of over this room, but we'll be doing at Airbnb at the end of the day. So there are two sockets over there, the first one and the second one. So the plan of these two sockets for this here and here. So we are planning to have a worktop, a table over here. So this table will be maybe for learning, or if you have a computer, you can come just and chill over there. So these are provision for the maybe if you have a laptop, you don't want to put a socket over here, a charging point over there, and then maybe this thing will be just up to this extent. So you will not need to just stretch your maybe your wire up to there. So we'll have a provision of a socket that will be over there. And then this is the provision for the wardrobe. As you can see, this is the provision for the wardrobe. So it comes from this this far up to this end. So as you can see, that is the provision for the wardrobes. And then always we provide a provision for the air condition. As you can see, this over there, and then here there will be a switching point for the strapper and the DP switch for the AC. So then let me take you to the master bedroom, and then I will finish with the kitchen. So and then this is our master bedroom, guys. As you can see, they're still ongoing, so we couldn't have enough space maybe for us to record, but we can just speak while we are just over here. So as you can see, if you look up there, you will see we have already installed the gypsum work. Even the painting work is almost still ongoing. As you can see, this is just quite simple design for this master bedroom. As you can see, it has two windows, and then they are even big as compared to the one in the sitting room. So as you can see, and then I don't know if the cameraman can record up to this extent. So as you can see here, we have this small partition. As you can see upward, it has this some beautiful decor. So here small partition that you see here will be for our dressing room for this master bedroom. And then at this end, this will be our toilet. So it's just quite spacious as compared to the other one that was on the other side of the room. So as you can see, this is the toilet. As you can see, even if you can just return back and then you compare the size for the other toilet and this compare for comparison, we'll find that this one is just quite much bigger than the other one. So there's some amazing features that we are thinking that we'll put over here, but I will show you when the project is as the project still is as the project that will is still ongoing. So I will be making videos now and then to show you the update for this amazing for this project update for this amazing project. So as you can see, and then if you show them over there, there's a small partition that's a wardrobe. That's so, and then as you can that partition that is over there is run up to that end. So that end will be our for the wardrobe, guys. The wardrobe is just quite big as compared to the other one. So this is maybe like two times as the one for the other bedrooms. And then they have two four wall brackets. So the first one is just over there, and the second one is just here. The fourth one is just the third one is just there, and then the fourth one is just near towards that near that door. And then there's a thing, and then there's a provision for the air condition, guys, after as you can see from that far end. So let me take you to the kitchen, and then I show you the and then we maybe finish our vlog. So this is our kitchen. As you come from the door, this is our store. This is just a store that's quite it's just small. It's not that much big. This is our store. So and then so this is our kitchen. As you can see, we have already done electrical provision for PVC conduit piping. So this will be a socket that will be laid up. We will be communicating with the worktop so that our worktop will be coming all over from that and up to here. So there will be socket. This will be maybe intentionally for if you have a free how do you call it, if you have a blender or something else that maybe you need to operate while you are standing, you can just have this in use of this too. And then here is our provision for the cooker. So we are assuming that our worktop will come from all over there, and then it will run up to this end so that we can have our cooker as installed over here. And then this will be our provision for the fridge. So our fridge will come and stand just over this place. So as you can see, we have done with the plastering of this house. So let's go outside, and then so as early as I've shown you earlier in this video.